Hello everybody, welcome to Hard Reset Pro. Today I'm gonna show you how to turn on and turn off the airplane mode on Google Pixel 8. So basically, to access the airplane mode, swipe up right here to go to quick settings panel, and one more time, and here you'll have airplane mode, and to turn it on, click on it, make sure it's gray, and as you can see now, you have an airplane icon right here next to your battery. And to turn it off, just click the same way, but make sure it's white now. When it's white, it means it's off. When it's gray, it means it's on. And you can tell it by the airplane mode icon right here. When you don't have an airplane icon, it's off. When you have it, it's on basically. So that's it. Thank you for watching and subscribe for more.